Hey everybody, I'm just in the process right now of getting my air conditioner started for the season, okay? And as you can see, I'm just gonna do a close-up right now of the coils, all right? These are really bad. So what I've done in the past is I use this foam cleaner. I get this at Canadian Tire, just a basic generic brand of foaming cleaner. So it's kind of a degreaser, takes away any grease, debris, and it helps when you spray this down. But I'll take you through the process right now of how I do this. All right, first things first, find your breaker box. It should be on the outside of your house, or who knows, maybe the inside on yours. And just pull your breaker and you're good to go. All right, so you'll see some bolts that need to be removed. So you gotta lift this whole fan off the whole assembly. And for this specific York, I'm using a 5/16, and I'll remove them all the way around and I'll meet you at that point. All right, so I got all the screws undone and I'm lifting this fan shroud off. Now, I kind of have to hold it in place. This is just the wind turning it, by the way. And because it's hardwired right in here, all right? And you'll see at the bottom, I'll do a little zoom in, that there is some debris, all right, that I'm gonna shop vac out. And let's get at it. See me cleaning around here, you also have to be very careful that you don't dent any of these coils, all right? Because if you do, it actually inhibits the cooling, all right, of this air conditioner, all right? Now I'm just emptying this entire can on the inside, because when I spray the water, it's gonna go from the inside out. And this will loosen all of the dirt and debris and push its way out. And then, per manufacturer's instructions, you have to let it sit for a time. It doesn't say how long to let it sit, which is kind of bizarre, right? Because now, I guess, in case you screw things up, they can't be held responsible. So I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and start spraying. All right, now it's time to spray this out. I'm gonna turn this bugger on. And just spray it down, just like this. This is just cold water. You can see it gushing out the exterior. And just like this. I'll give you a close-up here of what you should see. All right, so I hope you can see everything being pushed to the outside. All the soap is getting pushed through and exiting the front. There's a lot of grime. This is just over a year. Just like this. All these coils, that's all dependent on them being clean to run efficiently. And no wonder why a person's power bill is extremely high in the summer if you don't clean these out a couple times a year. Now this depends on how dirty these get. All right, so I got the top reattached, and you can see how much cleaner the exterior is. I'll let it dry out for 30 minutes, put the breaker back in, and turn her on. All right, take care.